How will the Swiss franc will move in the next month? Hi everybody, this is Luca Discacciati, and today at our monthly webinar we will try to understand if it's time to change your Swiss franc in euro or not. So let me share my screen. Let's go first of all to moneyswapp.com, and remember that we are at the end of the year, and if you travel across Switzerland you need to have the highway toll. And if you're gonna try Moneyswap for the first time ever, you can have the Swiss highway toll sticker for free. So go on our website and just click this link you can find on the home page and try our service. You will get the best service ever, of course, but also the what we call in Switzerland the vignette, okay, to travel across Switzerland, and you will travel for free for all the 2025, and that's it. Something really nice to start the new year. So as always, let's go to have a look to the Swiss franc against the euro. And as you probably know, the Swiss bank, the SNB, the Swiss National Bank, just cutted the policy rate, the interest rate, from 1.1% to 0.5. And this is something that the market didn't expect it, because of course the market expected a cut in interest rates, but not a big one, not a so big one. And this is why in real time, as you can see on the chart of of the of the Swiss franc, you can find on our website, and of course you can also find a better chart. Let's go here, and yes, here we are. You can you can go on the website and you can see exactly what I'm talking about. After just second after the cut in interest rates, the Swiss franc felt a lot, something like 0.5%, because of course now if you have, starting from tomorrow, if you have Swiss franc, you get 0.5% in return and not 1% anymore. And this is why lot of investors started to sell Swiss franc. At the end of the day, this is something interesting, of course, but we have to understand if in the long run the Swiss franc will skyrocket again or will continue to fall. And in my opinion, this is just a short-term movement. I really think that in the long run, the Swiss franc trend against the euro will continue to grow. And if we go, for example, to plot the seasonality on our chart, this is our software we use in order to try to predict somehow the markets. As you can see, at the moment, current prices are moving very correlated like the 15-year seasonality. So it means that we can expect, starting from today until the end of the year, an upward movement that can sign at least 1.3% in return. Okay, so we are still bullish on the Swiss franc, even if the Swiss National Bank just cut the interest rates. Okay, of course we had a drop in Swiss franc because This cut was unexpected, but at the end of the day, we really think that the Swiss franc will continue to grow. And of course, this afternoon, we are expecting a cut in interest rates also from the ECB, the European Central Bank. And so the difference between the interest rates in euro and Swiss, I mean, will be cut it a little bit, and this is why we really think that in the medium and long term, the Swiss franc will continue to grow. I would like to show you something really interesting, which is the COT report. If you don't know what COT report is, very simple. In the United States, there is the CFTC Commission, which is the Commodity Future and Trading Commission. They publish every week the COT report, which is a report that tell us how the big player on the market are doing, are trading currencies and all the other financial instruments. And of course, we have the Swiss franc, which is listed at the CME as a future. And if we go here and we see how the non-commercial traders, so the hedge funds and the big speculators across the globe are investing on the Swiss franc, we can see something really interesting, guys. Because look, if we go here, we can see that recently the net position, which is the long position versus the short positions, are positive, went positive very recently. And this is something that happened already in the past. If we go to a 10-year chart, as you can see, this is something that happened here at the end of 2018. It happened here at the end of 2021 and happened now. Okay. And if we go back in history, and we try to understand what happened in the next month after this specific category of investors started to be net long on the Swiss franc, look, we can really see which is the upside potential. Okay. So in this case, we had just a little drop in the last hour, and the Swiss franc is recovering very fast. But as I told you, I really think, also thanks to this information we have, thanks to the COT report, I really think that the Swiss franc can grow a lot in the next month. Okay. And this is something really interesting because, as you can see, it's something that happened in the past, in the last 10 years, happened just 2 times, and it's happening again right now. Okay. So if you are if you are watching this video because you work in Switzerland and you need euro to live, because maybe you live in Germany, in France, in Italy, okay, if you can wait to change your Swiss franc in euro, because probably, as we can see from the COT report, as we can see from the seasonality, we expect a rise of Swiss franc in the next month. Okay, so remember to go to visit our website, moneyswapp.com. Remember, we have this gift for you for the end of the year. We give you as a present, if you try Moneyswap for the first time, the Swiss Highway Toll sticker. And it's for free. And of course, it's something really nice. And of course, you also will love our service because it's very fast, it's very cheap, and I mean, you don't need to go to the bank, withdraw money, go to the shop where you can change money. You can do everything online. And come on, guys, we are at the end of 2024, and you cannot play with paper money again. Okay, you can do everything online, and it's much more convenient. So thank you very much. See you next month. Bye bye.